Alright, take this thing apart. Alright, battery's unhooked, so I shouldn't electrocute myself. Okay, an hour later, got that off. Had to use a grinder, torch, PB blaster, 2 hammers, pry bar, and a handful of screwdrivers. So I'll have to order one of those. It's off. Well, it's working. This is going to be a challenge. Let's see how good it is in the snow. Well, that didn't work. That worked. Alright, so we got that put away. Now I get to paint the body. Alright, so here we go. So we got the back, the front. That little piece there just goes on the back. It's in pretty good shape other than right there, where it's going to need a bit of fiberglass reinforcement on the back and a little sanding on the front, but other than that, it's actually not that bad, believe it or not. Like, this back piece, you know, I have a couple hours into that. Front piece, probably 3 or 4 by the time it's all said and done, but all in all, it's not too bad. And like I said before, I got no idea what color I'm going to paint it, but I'm going to paint it whatever I decide to do the day I decide to paint it. That's about as far as the plan is that I have for this golf cart. So we'll, yeah, I guess we'll see you on the next one when I'm doing a bit of sanding work on it, and we'll go from there.